Hi, I'm Anna Mack from Mary Mac Bakehouse, and I'm here to talk to you about breakfast. 9 out of 10 Macs agree that breakfast foods are simply too good to only enjoy in the morning. The 10th Mac is my cat, and she doesn't eat people food, so we really shouldn't have included her in this study. But we wanted a round number because that sounded nice. Speaking of round things, pancakes! If you know someone who loves breakfast foods, we have the perfect gift solution. Give them the gift of breakfast with the Pancake Breakfast Gift Box from Mary Mac Bakehouse. For only $25, you'll receive a carefully assembled box full of breakfast goodies, including 2 Mary Mac Bakehouse pancake mixes, a bottle of Paul Family Farms maple syrup, and 2 packets of O'Neill coffee. That's the Pancake Breakfast Gift Box at marymacpodcast.com. When you order a Pancake Breakfast Gift Box, we'll also include a free Mary Mac Bakehouse gift. What's that you say? You don't like eating early in the morning? Were you even listening at the top of this commercial? Pancakes are delicious any time of day. Order a Pancake Breakfast Gift Box now at marymacpodcast.com and use promo code PANCAKE for free shipping through December 20th, 2020. That's promo code PANCAKE at marymacpodcast.com.
Mary Mac Bakehouse is registered with the Pennsylvania Department of Agriculture. Baking mixes contain wheat and wheat byproducts and are made in a facility where various nuts are present.